Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix your Windows 11 keyboard issue. Firstly, right click on the start icon, then select Settings. Go to Accessibility, then scroll down to Keyboard and enable on-screen keyboard. Next, press Win+R, type regedit, then click OK. Navigate to the H key local machine, then System, then Current Control Set, and finally Services. Scroll to IAT42PRT, right-click on Start, then choose Modify. Change the value to 1 and click OK. And after you do these steps, restart your PC and the problem should be resolved. And that's it guys. By following these steps, you can fix all of your keyboard problems on Windows 11. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.